I've got these old primitive arrowheads. The socketed areas were formed by flattening thin and then wrapping that area to form the socket. You can see lots of examples of this on YouTube, and I think I even have one video up there of me making one of those. So this video is inspired by a comment on my last video by Brian McNeely. He wondered if the way that I formed the candle cup out of solid on my last video could apply to making a socket for something like an arrowhead, a spear point, or the like. Before I get to that, I just want to say that if anyone out there needs any tongs, you know where to find me. All my tongs are Bonehead approved. A lot of my customers are able to make perfectly fine tongs, or at least usable tongs, but a lot of them prefer to use their forge time doing other things. So if you need a pair like this gamut jaw style, which I find to be very useful, let me know. So I'm thinking of any which way to stabilize this piece while I get this depression started. My funky anvil here comes in useful. I need to give a big shout out to two of the usual suspects for their super thanks donations. They are Ron Thacker and DK Wolf. I also need to recognize Todd Childress for becoming my newest Patreon supporter. Thanks so much, fellas. Sitting while forging is inherently much more dangerous, but it does have one advantage. Here you can see I'm using my knees to hold the tong. Here you can see a more wide-angle view of how I'm using my knees / inner thighs. Just as long as that little piece doesn't fly off between my legs and make me sing soprano, I'll be good. It wouldn't be a GS Tongs video if my hand didn't get in the way at least once. So this 1/2 inch piece started out being 2 inches long, and it's probably half that right now. It's upset so much, and doesn't look like I have enough material, but trust me, that's more than enough. Working it this way will help me to stretch and thin the walls. So this is skipping ahead 2 heats, and you can see the point is forming. By the way, this piece is just mild steel. It looks like one of those bulky erasers that fits on the end of a pencil. By the way, I just wanted to say that of late, for the past few months or so, my channel has been really stagnant. I actually seem like I'm losing subscribers, people can't find videos, and the like. So if you enjoy my channel, please do me a favor and subscribe. So I take 10 minutes to grind and taper the outside of the socket to give it a more appropriate look and to shave some weight off. I don't spend long on this, just another 5 minutes or so to sharpen the point. And there it is. I'm really happy with this. It's nice and even, should fly very true, especially compared to the other ones. I think you can see that the solid punched socket one I made today is a step up. I hope this helps you guys out there who are into this sort of primitive tech. I'll catch you guys next time.